Hey guys, so as you all know that Terrarium TV is now shut down forever. So this is a new alternative called TTV. You can go ahead and install it. I'll give the links in the description. If you like such videos, you can subscribe to my channel. I upload such videos. Go ahead and open the file, click install and open the app after installing. Go ahead and allow. Select the language you want. After doing this, you will see there are many options categorized. This is one of my favorite apps as it shows DC, Marvel and IMDb top movies. There are different sections such as movies. It has all the latest movies such as Incredibles 2, Ready Player One, etc. You have also TV shows. Famous shows are there such as The Flash. You can select the series which you're watching. It also shows the upcoming seasons. It also has anime. You can see all the latest anime shows on this. It can show you popular. It has categories, so popular, top rating, on air and arriving today, that is. It has many sections in the menu. My favorite is the calendar, as it shows you what is going to come out today. News shows, movies, etc. It can show you the upcoming also, what is coming on Saturdays, Thursdays and Fridays. I'll show you how to play. I will start the series Justice League. As this show is very old, it is only 360p, that is. It also has options to change the server. That HD button is there so that you can change the server. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like. I'll be uploading such videos.